ones. So this is what I'm sending for my son to school today. Cheese curls, chips, juice. This is all there is inside: fruit and croissant and patty, chicken patty, and beef Viennas. Also water. Never forget water, it's very important. This bottle is old. Okay guys, we're about to clean my shower. I'm just gonna put this citric acid inside the toilet, and I'm also going to use the extreme paste to clean the glasses today. This is the extreme disinfectant cleaner, so I just pour it here since it's just easy to use it. And I am gonna pour a little bit of my peppermint essential oil inside. I'll mix it together with this, all of them in the toilet bowl, and yeah, and then I let it sit maybe for like 30 minutes so long I'm cleaning the whole place. Okay guys, let's start. So guys, I've discovered something new that people have been using for some time here on YouTube, and I've Googled about it. So I said, let me come here and share with my community. So this is citric acid. It's a natural disinfectant. It removes soap scums, hard water stains, lambscale, and it can remove tough stains, and it also brightens white without a need of bleach. They say it can also remove rust. It kills bacteria, molds, and mildew. Yeah, it's a acid that you can use in a lot of places, and it's very safe to use, especially connecting to your health. They say it's actually more effective than vinegar. So usually people, they make toilet bombs with it using the citric acid. Bicarbonate of soda, they mix it with vinegar, if I'm not mistaken, some essential oils, they mix it up, and then they put it in like a tray of ice, and then they freeze it. Once it's frozen, obviously they take it out, and then you keep it wherever you want to keep it. And then whenever you want to clean your toilet without you actually scrubbing it, you just take that block and then you pour inside. You just throw it inside your toilet bowl, and then it does the cleaning on its own. It keeps your toilet smelling good and clean. Yeah, man. And it eliminates that gas. You know, sometimes your toilet is clean, but it's still smelling. It's sometimes that gas that comes out from the sewage system, and it smells. So these bombs, they help with that. They clear up the pipes and all that. Like, it just goes deep, and it eliminates the odor that comes from there. And another tip that I can give you as a boy mom that I've just realized as I have a boy now, my toddler, is that sometimes when they pee, whether they pee, as Muslim, how we're supposed to teach our kids to pee, boys, they still need to sit down just like girls and pee. Yeah, but he does both because he goes to the daycare. So some of the things I can't control, He does both. When he feels like standing, he does standing. When he feels like sitting, he sits. But as he grows, he will learn, But when he's in the house, majority of the time, he does what is being done in the house. Yeah. So when he pees, somehow he kind of like the pee will go out. And if you are not a mom who observes a lot, you'll find your bathroom smelling, because the mistake happens, and then the pee is actually going around outside of the toilet bowl. So guys, I've discovered another thing to clean the glass that, like, so far it's number one for me. It's this chemical that I was using here to clean the glass. Like, oh my god, my glass was extremely clean when I finished using it. It's chemical. I usually get it at ShopRite. I think you can get it in all the other shops also. It's very good that you wash your mats at least once a week. Like, I really recommend once a week washing your mats, because even if there was no pee on it, but just for it that it gets that mush and somehow we throw water on it by mistake, that can create a smelly bathroom, you know. And another thing that I didn't share with you guys, they're down there in the drain inside the shower. Always when I clean, especially once a week, I do put bicarbonate of soda in vinegar just to also eliminate the smell. Yeah guys, I am finished now. I think I won't be talking much in this video, just sharing a hint of my few days. And yeah, I did want to make the bombs with you guys, but you know what, my shower needed TLC, so I was like, you know what, that will wait. I cannot now leave the place dirty just because I want to make content. I was like, I'll make next time and I'll show you guys how it's done. But you can just Google toilet bombs. You will see how they make it. I did say earlier on that they put bicarbonate of soda, they put the citric acid, you can put your essential oils also. Yeah guys, yeah, it's just my aim was to clean the whole house with you guys, but unfortunately I couldn't do that. Their family wanted to go out and I was in the mood for cleaning, but they were like, we want to go out. So yeah, so I couldn't take you to do everything with you guys. Yeah guys, I hope you do get motivation by watching this video. Clean along with me. I will be sharing hints of me making a cake for my son. It was also my son's birthday in this week, so I said let me just share a bit with you guys. I do share motivational videos, lifestyle videos, anything that is connected to my life in a form of a vlog. So hence that's why I will drop bits and bits of snippets of whatever that I do, just to make also the video interesting. And I am on this journey to sharing with you guys what I send for my son. It's mainly also just for me to improve in the future, to see, okay, this is where I come from, this is where I am now. I'm trying to improve slowly. It's like I'm starting over again, because when it comes to my daughter, when it comes to lunch, I don't think I put in so much effort, mainly for the reason, like, I don't know, man, I just never noticed all those things. I never stressed about, oh, I need to send so much things to school, until I hear her saying something. Then I feel, because other things we send for our kids so that they mustn't feel like, oh, I don't have this, not because we have so much or whatever, but I feel like it's just for that thing, that the child mustn't feel like, oh, if you can afford, send whatever you can, you know. That's my take on this thing. Send whatever you can. They rather bring it back home, but send how much you can. Yeah, for example, my son cannot open the packet of chips yet, but I sent for mainly one reason. If maybe the teacher decides to help him, or maybe he really wants to eat the chips, as you see the other kids are eating the chips, then he can open anyhow. He can open it because he can open it, but it's just that in a bad way. So that's one of the reasons I was saying things like that. But I'm not too much, like in my house, I don't buy so much of like your sweets, your snacks. No, I'm not big on that. Like, I do like my kids must snack on fruits. But in saying that, they do eat a lot of junk also, you know. And I am not raising my kids alone. We are these two parents, which is a father and a mother. So sometimes my husband likes to spoil them with all the junk food, while I'm completely the opposite. And sometimes I even feel bad when I go outside. You know, when we grow up, when we were young, our mothers will go to town and then we'll get so happy when they come back. They come back with the sweets. I am not that mother. I am not that mother. And sometimes sometimes I feel so bad. I don't come back with nothing. Like I feel like we always have everything in the house. So when I go out, when I come back, my kids, they know it's nothing. It's either it's a kiss, it's a hug. When I come back and I go also, it's the same thing. I kiss them bye-bye, but no junk food that I'm coming back with. Anyway, guys, this quickly just cook this day because I had someone outside helping with the yard. Otherwise, we were actually going out on this day. But that was me day. It just was hungry. I ate a bit, and actually everyone ate. Yeah, and we went again out and we ate also. Anyway, guys, I'm quickly just washing my dishes now. I don't like to put the tablet inside. I feel like sometimes if I put the tablet where it's supposed to sit, it doesn't do the job. So I let it from the beginning of when the machine is starting, then the tablet is slowly starting to wash the dishes also. I say like that because it's firstly the machine will rinse the dishes, then it will take it out its own self with the tablet, and then it starts washing. And by the time the machine stops washing, some of my plates are not fully rinsed because, you know, along the way the tablet, like it's just my own method that I do, that I don't like to put the tablets inside where it's supposed to be. I just let it outside and I wash, and I put bicarbonate of soda and vinegar. Sometimes I do put just like about a half a teaspoon of sunlight liquid. It goes a long way when it comes to cleaning your machine, keeping the dishes shiny and all that. Finish does also a good job, but that sunlight liquid, it does so much also. Anyway, guys, this is where I'm just gonna end talking. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time and you like this kind of content, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share, and please do watch the ads. Thank you so much again, guys. I am sorry I didn't greet you at the beginning. I hope all of you are fine. I am well, and we are back at doing this content, cleaning content. And to all my sisters that come and support and share me, guys, you guys are the best. You guys are the best. You guys need a special video where I'm just doing a shout out and thanking you all for coming, and all my regular subscribers that don't even comment but they are here watching. I appreciate you guys, and I thank you so much, and I love you all. Bye bye, guys. I'll see you on my next upload. Please do carry on watching, as I am just going to be sharing just a hint of my lifestyle now. We're done with cleaning. I'll see you on my next upload. Bye bye.
Hi, Bo, now they start. Doing here on top, guys. The nice thing is that I was doing for someone who's not expecting this, so it doesn't matter really what I did, but this mother tried. Yeah, now I'm gonna put the cake, I think I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Yeah, I'll put it in the freezer, then I'll take it out in the morning because it won't fit in my fridge. Guys, now what is left is I must go do some party packs, and load shedding is about to happen. So I'm assuming I'll do it when the electricity come back.
Section a little bit. Okay. How many babies, Dad?
Second one.
Second one. First one, boy or a girl?
Girl.
Okay. So you're in the right man. Leave me alone. I want to. Very much family. Yeah, okay. This is a nice, almost term baby. Like you see Stop it now. This one. In the club.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
Have a lovely day. Same thing. Happy birthday to you. Manopela, his birthday boy must come close. Come here. Oh, happy birthday, Ina.